Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block microphone permissions in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select this one settings in the drop down menu. Under Brave settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one site and shields settings. Now scroll down to the permissions section in the right sidebar and click on this one microphone option. Here this one is first option. Sites can ask you to use your microphone. This will allow microphone access to the sites, and in case you want to block this one microphone access, choose this one second option. Don't allow sites to use your microphone.